This year at SpringFest, we're going to be doing some science demonstrations for you guys, and we can't wait to see you there. But for those of you who can't make it, we're going to be showing you how to do this experiment at home. So today we're going to be making lava lamps. And before we get started, I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do it on your own at home. First, you're going to want your Alka-Seltzer. This is what's going to make your lava lamp move around. And the only other thing you need is food coloring and your solution of 2 parts oil to 1 part water. So the first thing you're going to want to do is choose your food coloring. We're going to be using green for SpringFest. Just going to add a few drops of that to our lava lamp. Maybe a lot of drops because ours is really big. And then once you've got it in there, your lava lamp is ready to go. And you can take your Alka-Seltzer and drop them in the lava lamp. What we're looking at is the concept of different solubilities. Oil and water have different polarities, so they're not soluble with one another. The food coloring is soluble with the water, so that's why only 1 part of the lava lamp is green, and those are the green bubbles that you see foaming up.